Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong isang reaction video dito kay dating Mayor Alice Go or sa Senate reading detention facilities inaayos na. At ito ay the Senate is readying the detention policy facility for suspended Mayor Alice Go. And not further ado, please do watch guys. Alright, let's get it on.
As Senate authorities continue to look for suspended Bamban-Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo and others who have been ordered arrested by the Senate's Office of the Sergeant at Arms, or OSAA, assures their safety and well-being once arrested. Members of the media were given access inside the detention facility today, where the Guo family will stay during detention. The room is air-conditioned, has 3 bunk beds, a bathroom, water dispenser, a table, and roller blinds. It can accommodate up to 8 people. OSAA Chief Retired Lieutenant General Roberto Angkan explains this will be the first time that the room will be used as a detention facility. Formerly a daycare center, it was refurbished last year to accommodate the increase in the number of resource persons being cited in contempt and ordered arrested.
Here I can assure her security 24/7. I've done it before. I was commander before, and I assured the people within my area of responsibility that they're safe. This is not kulungan. This is only detention. Eh kung kulungan, ano yan eh, nakarehas yan. Wala namang rehas yan. It's only a detention facility. Nakita ko naman, may aircon nga eh. Yung iba nga, wala nga aircon. Comfortable naman sila eh. May toilet and bath naman dyan, may water. Depende sa ano mo, sa standard mo. Kung hotel type, hindi sa hotel type, but they're comfortable naman.
Senate President Francis Cheese Escudero meanwhile assures there will be no special accommodations for the suspended mayor.
This is not a penalty. This is not a punishment for the commission of any crime. Itong pagdita na sa kanya ay para tiyakin lamang na siya ay mag-a-attend ng pagdinig ng Senado. So para sa akin, kung ano ang detention facility natin para sa isang ordinaryo akusado, dapat applicable yan sa mayor, governor, o sino mang opisyal. Kung aayusin namin, maayos yan para sa lahat, hindi lamang dahil mayor siya.
For now, Escudero has ordered to review the restriction of bringing of gadgets inside the detention facility.
Wala ako nakitang dahilan kung bakit hindi. Hindi naman mga drug lord to na pwede nilang pagpatuloy yung kanilang operasyon sa loob ng detention. Pangalawa, wala naman ako nakitang delikadong kaganapan na mag-detect sila na mapuga sila mula sa detention facility. So, pinapa-review ko. Tingnan natin.
Jorlene Delgado.
Alright guys, napakinggan po natin na ito ang Senate reading detention facility for suspended Mayor Alice Gookin. At maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig dito kay Rob Trip. And see us again sa ating reaction video. And peace out. Alright, thank you guys.